Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore meta descriptions using Jasper SEO templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Jasper account. Navigate to the templates section in the dashboard. Search for the SEO templates category. Select the meta description template from the list. Begin by entering the primary keyword relevant to your content. Take a moment to review the input fields provided. Fill in additional details such as target audience and tone of voice. Click on the Generate button to create a meta description. Review the generated suggestions carefully. Choose the one that best fits your content and audience. If none resonate, feel free to regenerate for more options. Once you find a suitable meta description, copy it to your clipboard. Next, open your website's content management system. Locate the specific page or post where you want to add the meta description. Paste the copied meta description into the designated meta description field. Ensure it meets any character limits set by search engines. Save your changes to the page or post. Optionally, you can run an SEO audit to confirm the meta description is correctly implemented. Repeat the process for any additional pages or posts as needed. Review your website periodically to update meta descriptions as content changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.